Dr. Joe.
Hi.
I have some questions
Yes.
regarding my knee pain. So I recently stopped running because my right knee has a lot of tension and pain when I run for a long time. So I started jogging. Is there a cause?
Squat. Which side is hurting?
My right.
Okay, the right side. Up. One more. Okay. Any pain?
A little bit on my quad area.
Yeah. Touch your area painful. Yeah. There. Okay. Good. And then try squatting both knees and squat. I'm just checking your patella movement one more time. Yeah. When you do single leg squat, your knee is a little curving inside. There are two reasons. One is the arch. When you do this, the knee is curving in. There are two reasons. One is the arch issue. Another one is the tight quad outside and the IT band. This line is tight and not activated. That's the second reason. So your case is more likely your quad outside and then IT band area tightness, and then there are some muscle knot, we call it trigger points. Those are most common reason of the pain, because if the muscle getting very tight and creating some muscle knot, trigger point, that's pulling your kneecap outwards. Also, that's creating a little reverting pain. Even though you have a trigger point in this area, that's send a little reverting sensation to your knee, so you feel in your knee pressure. So I show you some stretching and then how to use a foam roller to release it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure. Stretch quadriceps. In standing position, you can do this. Yeah. Keep your body straight and kneecap pointing down to the ground, and you're gonna pull your ankle towards you. Feel a little quadriceps stretch. You can a little tilt forward, and you can little hip extension, and you can feel a little more. When you lay down, you can bring your knee back like this, and then you can go to your opposite side elbow first, and then you can go down slowly to the other side elbow too. And later on, if you can go alternate. And you can feel the quadriceps stretch. This is a little stronger stretch. One more stretch I recommend is IT band stretch. Let's say this is left side. You cross your leg, and then you twist your body towards the left, and then you put your elbow over there, and then you push away from you. As you're twisting your trunk this way, you push your leg towards the opposite directions. And then always when you stretch, you breathe out. And then as you're twisting, you keep pushing towards the opposite side. And then you stay there for 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 5 times. That stretches your IT band quadriceps outside. This is also going to be very helpful. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
How to use the foam roller. Let's say you have a right side knee pain. I recommend using the foam roller for the self trigger point release. Okay. You lay down on your elbow, and then you can start rolling. This is release your front side of quad, and then you're gonna slowly sideways, and then find where is most sensitive spot. You can go a little higher, you can go a little lower. You gotta search where it is. And then once you locate very sensitive spot, that's the area you have a muscle knot, trigger points. And then when you find it, you gotta put your body weight, just stay over there. If you wanna put a little more pressure, more bearable, then you can double your knee. But at the beginning, it might be really sensitive, so you can just do as long as you can tolerate. So when you pinpoint the spot, then you gotta stay there as long as you can.
Okay.
Sometimes you can feel a little shooting down sensation. Yeah, once you find it, stay there as long as possible, and then you can take a break a little bit and then go back. And then find the spot and you stay there.